Shivangi Joshi, and today I'm going to reveal what's in my makeup pouch. So this is my makeup pouch. My mother got this pouch for me, and I keep changing my makeup pouch because you know there's so many things inside. There's powder, there's foundation, और कभी भी कुछ भी गिर जाता है तो वो खराब हो जाता है. इसलिए I keep changing my makeup pouches. So this one is the latest one which my mother got for me. See, it's so nice. Mascara, I really like the eyes. Even I don't know what's there in my pouch because it's like the daily makeup pouch what I have on the set every day with me. So I have this Studio Fix. And okay, so I have this mascara. This mascara is very good for shooting purpose because you have to cry and you have to do so many things, and this mascara is waterproof and it's actually very good. Then there's this foundation I have. Abhi jo track chal raha hai usme I'm like crying and all upset and so whatever. So आप रोती हो तो बेस कभी कभी क्रैक हो जाता है. So I have this foundation always in my makeup pouch when I have such scenes. And okay, so I have this eyeliner. And obviously eyeliner brush and this eyebrow filler brush. इस छोटे से pouch में बहुत कुछ निकलने वाला है. And like I have the puff and makeup sponge, obviously for foundation and compact. I don't know. No, actually no one. मैंने कभी सोचा ही नहीं है. No, I don't know. I think I have everything what I need in a day for my makeup. I think I have everything here in my pouch, so I would not like to steal anyone's makeup pouch, and stealing is not good. This is a red pencil जिससे मैं सिंदूर लगाती हूँ, जिससे मैं अपनी मांग भरती हूँ. Because it's very convenient and easy to carry and it's good. And this is the lip balm. It's a very nice lip balm. बहुत अच्छा है. जैसे मैं इसे खा जाऊँ. With strawberry smell. So I have 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 3 lipsticks in my pouch. And then I have the blush on. ऐसा लगा नहीं था ना इस pouch में से इतना कुछ निकलेगा. Actually मुझे भी नहीं लगा था. Oh no. Sorry, I have one more lipstick. So I have 4 lipsticks in my makeup pouch. Wow, that's great. That's the eyeshadow brush. This is blush on and blush on brush, and that's the lip liner, pink lip liner, and that's the eyebrow pencil. I really like pinks and nude colors, so lipsticks are all light shades. This is very light, and this is also a pink and a light lipstick. So yeah, I don't like red lipsticks, so very rarely I put red or dark shades. I always like nudes and pink. And this is Vicks inhaler because my nose is blocked right now and I have sinus. So yeah, inhaler is like always with me. Okay, that's a sanitizer, which is again always with me. And I have this miniature, this perfume. You should always smell good. That's what I think, and that's how it should be, especially for girls. No, for everyone. Anyways, this is the miniature. This is the perfume. See, I told you. ऐसा लगा नहीं था ना इसमें से इतना कुछ निकलेगा. And last में I have this sharpener. Yeah. My mother and my sister, because दोनों ही मेकअप नहीं करते. मेरी बहन सिर्फ काजल और eyeliner लगाती है, और वो भी काजल से eyeliner लगाती है. I don't know why she has that habit. And actually इसकी आंखें बहुत छोटी-छोटी सी हैं.